On the 31st of July, 2024, a routine traffic stop in Kleberg County, Texas, escalated after a deputy pulled over a Subaru towing two jet skis on Highway 77.
Hey, how you doing?
Good.
Can you roll this down just a little bit? Oh, I didn't see a dog down there. Reason why I stopped is you're speeding, okay? The speed limit through here is 55, okay? I checked you at 66.
Okay.
Everything all right?
Yeah, everything's great. Just getting down Any registrations on?
Please.
Oh, here you go. Okay.
Today's guest is an expert on healing.
There you go. Hold on to that. This. I'm going to write you a warning, okay? I'm going to write you a ticket. If you can do it, let's go step over here by behind the jet skis. We'll take care of business, and then I'll try to get you out of here, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, cool.
She won't. The dog won't jump out, will it?
No, she doesn't know how to do that.
Okay. All right.
I'm going to put the windows up.
Okay. Right over here so we don't get hit, okay? Give me just a second. Whose jet skis are these?
They're mine.
Let's go stand. I just don't want anybody to hit you.
They're mine. They're being transferred in my name. I have all the paperwork showing my purchase and everything.
No, it's all right. Do you still live in Houston right now?
Yes.
What type of work do you do?
I just got laid off back in the but I'm going down to manage the property I have down there. I just got laid off a few months ago working cloud computing, but I'm going down to check on a house I have in Brownsville.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is it a house that you own?
Yeah.
Do you have rental properties?
Yeah, I have one down there. So I live in Houston, I rent there, and then I have the house in Brownsville that I have.
Okay. So why are you taking the jet skis down here?
The neighbor has a ranch down there.
It's just you don't live down here, and you said you were coming down to check out a rent house that you own, and it's just odd that you're bringing some jet skis with you if you're going to be checking out, your rent house.
I mean, there's stuff that needs to be done. I'm gonna be here a week.
Where are you going to stay at?
The place down there.
I'm sorry.
The Airbnb that I own down there.
The rent house.
So I own a house down there, and then I Airbnb it out.
Okay.
No one's in it right now.
Okay.
The last person was there a month and a half, and they showed me some stuff that needed to be corrected. So
Okay.
get down there, fix it before the next guests get there.
Oh, okay.
So we can make sure the reviews stay up.
Gotcha.
Well, I'm going to get down there. Why not?
Yeah.
Ride down there because I don't get to ride down there that often. So.
Okay.
And renting's more expensive, and now I can explore canals and all that stuff.
So, Immanuel, is that how you say that?
Yeah, maybe.
So, let me ask you this. We have a real big problem with smuggling here. And especially the way you're headed, we have a real big problem of people smuggling currency, money, and ammunition and weapons. Okay, now let me ask you this.
Sure.
Are you smuggling money today?
I am not.
How much cash are you traveling with today?
Probably $15.
$15?
Yeah, I saw $5 bills I got out.
Weapons, any kind.
I was going to bring the handgun since I was going on the Rio Grande, but I didn't.
Ammunition. Can I search your car and your jet ski and your trailer?
I'd rather you not. I don't think there's any reason to do that.
Okay. All right. 167. Can you send me a canine, please? So at this point, man, I feel like something's wrong, okay? And I'm calling a canine, and at this point, you're not free to go. Okay, so I'm gonna have a canine come over here. Dog alerts to your vehicle, your jet skis, or your trailer.
Yeah.
It's gonna give me the reasonable to probable cause to search your vehicles, your jet skis, and your truck.
Yeah. Same thing happened at the checkpoint on the way up. Like that, I'm driving down, up and down, so that makes sense.
Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, so that's what's gonna happen right now. Okay. Dog doesn't alert, and you're gonna be free to go. But I do feel like something's wrong. Okay.
What do you think is wrong?
It's hard to tell. I don't know. I don't know.
All right, I can show you. Yeah, that's fine. I can also show you the registration for my vehicle that's at Rancho Viejo as well. I have a car down there I can show you.
Well, now at that point, I'm really not worried about that. I'm just worried that you may be smuggling something. Okay. That's so. What I see is stuff that that other people that I've arrested in the past acted the same way. Okay, and they were smuggling currency, or
how long do you think it would be?
I don't know.
Okay,
I'm not sure.
Fun. All right, well, let's go.
Okay, right next to the plane. 703 is en route.
So people smuggle that way and that way.
Yes. Yeah. So this way, it's usually currency. But this way,
Cash, American.
yeah, cash.
Oh, that's it. Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah. And so I don't, at this point, like I don't know what's wrong, and that's my next step to try to figure out what is wrong. Okay, is to rule out that you are or aren't smuggling something. Okay. Hey man, how's it going? Yeah, I got waiting for a dog. When I killed my other, my Charger, yep. They're sending Galvan over here. 706. Okay. What year is your?
2015.
It's 15. long have you had the?
7 years, 8 years.
How often do you come down here?
Once every 3 to 4 months.
Give me a minute, all right?
Yes.
Hey, can you run 2 tags for me through LSAG?
No.
Why not?
I always say no. Are you not picked up on that?
Oh, I don't know. I didn't know if you had left already or what.
No. What is it?
Okay, first one is Tom Zebra John 5872. And then a trailer license plate whenever you're ready.
Already down. What is it?
261 916 King.
The first one I got today at 5:36 in Refugio. It was coming southbound from Victoria.
Yeah, I don't.
50.
Yeah, not really so much today because this guy's from Houston. Anything like any other days recently?
No, just today. He was in Fort Bend.
Okay.
Let me do the other one. Two 61916 King.
Yeah.
I have nothing.
Nothing on it?
Nope.
Okay. Alright. Alrighty. Well, I'm sitting here waiting for a dog, so.
Waiting for a dog?
Yeah, he refused consent, so.
Oh, do you see the picture I sent you?
Yeah, the dog with the ears. It does. It looks like a bat.
Can't believe you didn't get it, dude.
What?
Got you bat wing, bitch.
Yeah. I got you on speaker, dummy. I'll call you back. Bye.
Oh.
this 28 on the trailer. Who's it go back to? That's on 261.
Waiting.
Yeah, we're still waiting.
Married?
Yeah, you're not married, had kids, or nothing?
No. Bachelor for life right now. Close. Been close. Just haven't pulled the trigger.
You invest, your money, stock, and like that?
No. My uncle's trying to get me into that. I do houses. Every time I move somewhere for work, I buy a house. I've done it 3 times. So I moved to Atlanta, bought a house. My sister stays in that one. And then that tech job was in DC. So I bought a house there. I moved there. And then rented out that one. And then this one was just, the company was doing well. I was like, why not try it? It was cheap though. No, we're renting it.
Oh, yeah.
Houston, I'm renting. Houston's too expensive. Houston's to buy a house in Houston, I pay as much as I paid at my DC house. You know what I mean? Like, it's just getting ridiculous. Like $600K for a house in the city now. I'll just rent it.
Thank you for calling Kleberg County Sheriff's Office. One moment, please. Sheriff's Office, sorry.
Lori, hey, this is Jason. Hey, who is bringing a dog down here?
22 said 703 was en route.
Okay.
He didn't show up yet, or what?
Nobody has showed up yet.
Because I had asked if y'all wanted me to send KPD.
Hang on.
Hold on.
PD headed out there with the cannon?
Dude.
Negative, I was advised that 703 was en route.
Okay, yeah, 10-4.
Yes, please. I need this. This guy's.
Yeah, we're going.
Okay, so I guess it's them that's en route then.
Okay. Yeah, I need a dog like ASAP.
I'm pretty sure PD would have been there faster, but nobody likes to listen to me, so.
I couldn't hear you because trust me, I need a dog here like big time. Like.
Why? What do you got? Is it money?
I would assume so. Yeah.
Also, your portable fucking sucks.
I know.
You gotta get a new one because it's pissing me off.
I know.
I can never hear you.
Sorry, I'll have to work on that for you.
Yes, please, because if something's happened to you, I'm not gonna know anything because you're like.
Well, it's also windy too, so.
What's up? But okay, if they don't get there, just let me know and I'll call them again.
All right, thanks.
You're welcome.
Bye. They just called. They're fixing to be here. Yeah.
You have a dog in there?
Yeah, he's got a dog. So when they get here, you're gonna have to grab your dog and bring her back here with you, okay?
Alright. I mean, I feel like that's going to irritate the dog that's coming, right? Which is going to make it signal because it sees another dog.
No, it's that has nothing to do with how the dog works.
Okay, makes sense.
Yeah. So have you ever been in trouble before?
Yeah, I was just telling him. I was on SpaceX property down in Cameron County. I got arrested, but I got dismissed the next morning by the judge.
What for?
I moved to they have. Have you been down to SpaceX? Yeah, so like they have areas you can walk on. There's a launch going, so like you're trespassing. But the judge dismissed it the next morning.
Yeah, that also like space like above it and stuff like that. You can't like fly drones and stuff.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you get some serious trouble for that.
Oh really?
So, but here's the other thing that I was asking. Like, have you ever been in trouble for like anything else other than that? Okay.
Speeding. I got
Nothing with like smuggling though, right? Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So, can you tell me why else? Like, so say you're not smuggling, which I think you're doing something wrong. Okay. I'm just telling you. I'm certain that you're doing something wrong. However, if it's not that, what are you so like? Why are you so worried?
I think the culture that we live in, talking to the police is sometimes something that leads to escalation. And it's just interesting that from a speeding ticket, I'm now being investigated for smuggling when like, I have property.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
it's just a lot of anxiety around that.
Okay.
That's more so.
Yeah. Well, and, so I can see that, but also you have to remember where you're at. This highway is a bad area for smuggling. Okay,
I understand.
So,
I understand, but that's why I hear why you have concern.
Yeah.
That's why I'm anxious.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
I drive. Like I know the area. Yeah.
So the other reason was like if there's anything in there that you want to be upfront about, there's ways that we could work around that.
If there's any guns or anything in there,
or cash, like something that you want to be upfront with and talk about it before we find it.
Okay.
We can work with you.
Okay, yeah. Yeah.
Is there? I mean, seriously, like.
There are no guns in there.
Weapons. I mean, cash. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you positive?
I'm 100% positive.
Okay. All right. Okay. Then good.
No guns, no ammunition, no cash of any sort. Other than that $5 bill, probably a choice.
No, I'm not worried about that.
Let me get my dog moving.
Hey, hang on real quick.
Okay.
I think he's gonna maybe want to talk to you. The dog. You want him to grab the dog real quick?
Yeah, right. That'd be good.
Okay. I'll go with you then.
All right, that works for me, man. Hey, I'm gonna reach for my jewel pin on the other side of the door when I get in, so I can have something to bait.
Okay. Well, let me ask you this.
Yeah.
I'm not the.
It's nicotine.
Okay, so I'm going to be upfront with you. I'm not the joint police, if that makes any sense. I'm not looking for personal use, if that's what you're worried about. Are you?
I'm not worried about anything.
Okay, all right.
Let me just get my jewel so I can be a little less anxious. But yeah, this is more so just like Black Men in America show, dude. Honestly, just the media trained you to be scared, so that's what I'm doing.
Well, you don't have to listen to everybody.
You don't. But it's still scary shit, man. I hear you though. All right, buddy. You gotta chill right here. Alright, I'm moving back so he doesn't see me.
Yeah, you can wait up there by my door, passenger door. I think it's money, man. I think he's got money in there,
Okay.
and I don't think it's hidden. So
Is it just the one dog? I thought he had two.
just got one.
He's the other dog.
Go talk to this guy for a minute, man. I'm pretty certain that there's money in there, dude. Huh?
You already did comment. You have dogs that spend money? Why would you ask that? So,
These aren't even his, like,
oh, there's
no, because it's some female out of Montgomery. He says they're his, well, they're gonna be his, but says he's going down to go. He's got a rent house down there that he's not working. He hasn't been working for months. He got laid off, but he has a rent house down there. And then he's.
As of now, there is no official confirmation of an arrest, citation beyond the original speeding ticket, or contraband discovery. Immanuel Lewis was not charged during the encounter, and the incident's legal resolution, if any, remains unreported. The investigation may have ended at the roadside, or may have continued off camera.